Hello everyone, my name is Ruchika Vyas and I am student of BTech 7th semester 4th year studying in Civil Engineering Department, Faculty of Engineering and Technology, University of Lucknow, and my seminar topic is Cellular Lightweight Concrete. These are the contents which are covered in this presentation. First is introduction. Before knowing about cellular lightweight concrete, we should know what is concrete. Concrete is basically a mixture of aggregate, cement, and water. Aggregates can be fine aggregate or coarse aggregate, which may be rock, sand, or gravel. Cement, usually in powdered form, acts as a binding agent when mixed with water and aggregate. So, these aggregates are mixed with fluid cement that hardens over time. CLC is short form of cellular lightweight concrete, which is also known as formed concrete. CLC have various advantages over traditionally produced concrete. So it makes CLC most significant type of concrete used for construction purposes. CLC is one of the recent emerging technology in making concrete. These are the concrete CLC blocks which are made from CLC. Important characteristic of formed concrete is it has self-compacting property. Since it has many advantages, its manufacturing is emerging nowadays. Composition of cellular concrete. The CLC is combination of cement, water, fly ash and foam, which is made using foaming agent. It is used in variety of project type because it is relatively light. Since foam is lightweight and is used in CLC, it makes it lightweight. Simple as its procedure or manufacturing is not very complex or complicated, and inexpensive because it contains fly ash, and fly ash is a waste material, so it reduces the cost of purchase. So CLC contains foam and other normally traditionally produced concrete does not contain foam, so it is a main difference between CLC and other materials. Raw materials and equipments. So raw materials of CLC are foam, fly ash, cement and water. So these are the pictures how these raw materials look like. Foam is generated in foam generator using an appropriate foaming agent. Since foam is a combination of foaming agent, water and air, the amount of air used in making foam should be 40 to 80% of total volume. Since it contains air, bubbles are formed during foam generation, so these bubbles increase the porosity. To produce concrete with a reasonable strength, the bubbles in the foam should not be irregular nor thin-walled. Thus, a foam composed of small spherical bubbles is best suited for making foamed concrete. Foaming agents. Foaming agent is a chemical which facilitates the process of forming foams and keeps the bubble integrated with each other to form a appropriate foam. Foaming agent can be protein based or synthetic. Protein based are commonly used for the low density, and for high density synthetic foaming agents are preferred. Next is fly ash. Fly ash is a waste product. The main thing is it is not easily disposed of. It is very economical. As it is an important ingredient of CLC, it solves the issue of its disposal. It makes foam concrete and environment friendly. And it is when mixed to form CLC, it does not harm environment or release any harmful effluent. Next is cement. So cement which is used in CLC is a product consisting of Portland cement, cement silica, cement pozzolana, lime silica paste, or paste containing blend of all these ingredients. And the cement must be having homogeneous voids or cell structure attained with gas forming chemicals or foaming agent. Equipments. So these are the equipments which are used in manufacturing of cellular lightweight concrete. First is foam generator, second is foam concrete mixer, third is foam concrete pumps, fourth is electrical panel, fifth is conveyor belt, and sixth is air compressor. This is the full picture of CLC plant. This is foam concrete mixer. In this, all the ingredients including foam are mixed to produce for CLC. This is foam concrete pump, and this is foam generator. So in foam generator, foam is generated, and through foam concrete pumps, these are pumped. This is a conveyor belt which carries all the dry ingredients of CLC to the mixing plant. This is air compressor, and this is electrical panel. Next is manufacturing. So cement, fly ash, and water are mixed, and a slurry is formed, which is then mixed with foam in a concrete mixing plant. So the foam which is used in manufacturing of CLC is generated in a foam generator using appropriate foaming agent. So all these ingredients are mixed in a concrete mixer, and CLC is produced. So this produced CLC is then further further used for construction processes. This concrete mixer may be poured or pumped into molds, or can be used directly into structural elements. This is a picture which shows the full manufacturing process of cellular lightweight concrete. So in this concrete mixer, all the ingredients are all the raw materials are mixed, and then CLC is produced, and then it is further taken for the construction activities. Next are advantages and applications. Advantages of CLC. First is lightweight. Due to presence of foam in it, it becomes lightweight. Since the density of foam is very less, it reduces the density of CLC or concrete, so it becomes lightweight. Fire resistant. The air pockets in the structure are mainly responsible for high fire resistance. Thermal insulation. The low density formed concrete is perfect for thermal insulation. It provides sound absorption and acoustic insulation. So low density increases acoustic insulation. It is environment friendly, as fly ash is used, and it is a waste material, and in production process or its use does not release any harmful effluent. It is cost efficient as it is a industrial waste. uh, as fly ash is an industrial waste, so it reduces the cost in the production of CLC. It is termite free and resist freezing issues. Thermal expansion is negligible, and it is earthquake resistant. So CLC blocks are excellent for earthquake resistant housing due to lightweight, reducing dead weight more than 50% of the normal concrete. Uh, it is eco-friendly as it is used as an alternative to plywood material, and thus it controls deforestation. So it becomes eco-friendly and it did not have any harm to the environment. Applications of CLC. It is used for construction of precast exterior walls, uh, which are constructed prior to the construction of building, and then they are added to the uh, construction activity. It is provide roof insulation and can be used for waterproofing, green construction. It can be used for additional floors to existing structure. It can be used for building materials for high rises, for air conditioned buildings, for low cost housing. Since it is cost efficient and cost effect um, economical, so it is used for low cost housing. It is used for construction of subways. Why should a CLC block plant be set up? So why a CLC block plant can be set up? These are the points. First is it has a low investment. Since the production cost of CLC is less compared to traditionally or normally produced concrete, so it has low investment and quick returns. Due to low investment, since low investment, quick returns are possible. For future product for construction industries, it since its manufacturing is emerging, so it is best future product. It is a green product since it is eco-friendly. It has less competition in market. It's for now it is not very known to everyone, so it has less competition in market, can earn more percentage of profit. It requires small area for a CLC block plant to set up. uh, uh, it is easy to handle operations of the plant and can be owned without major engineering expertise. Less manpower is required, very low electrical power required to run a plant. These are the points which tells why should a CLC block plant be set up. Conclusion. From this presentation, I conclude that CLC is a version of lightweight concrete that is produced like normal concrete under ambient conditions. It has a desirable strength to be an alternative construction material for the industrialized building system. CLC is an emerging technology nowadays in concrete manufacturing. Um, as it has many advantages, its manufacturing is emerging nowadays, that is its demand and use is increased. uh, it is considered for use as it did not harm the environment, which is the basic need in today's world. Thank you.